Yo, what's up guys, Santosh here. Welcome back to Santosh Mods channel once again. First of all, I want to thank you all for helping me reach 5,000 subscribers and much appreciated for all of your love and support on me. So today in this video, I gotta show you how you can install the high quality 3D map mod in GTA SA Android step by step easily. As you can see on the screen, this is marvelous, isn't it? Alright, but before we begin, I want you to make sure that you back up the GTA 3 texture folder wherever you want except GTA San Andreas directory, so that whenever you've changed your mind, you can easily get back the original map back. In case if you forgot to do that, tell me in the comment section below, I'll try my best for you. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching this video till the end, make sure you hit that like button, and if you want more tutorial and awesome mods for GTA SA Android, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on so you won't miss. Lots and lots of spectacular cars are upcoming on my channel, so stay tuned, stay modding, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one, so let's begin.
Just a day, you hit me with a call to your place. Ain't been out in a while anyway. Was hoping I could catch you throwing smiles in my face. Romantic talking, you don't even have to try. You're cute enough to fuck with me tonight. Looking at the table, all I see is bleeding white. Baby, you living the life, and nigga, you ain't living right. Talking, you don't even have to try. You're cute enough to fuck with me tonight. Looking at the table, all I see is bleeding white. Baby, you living the life, and nigga, you ain't living right. Cocaine and drinking with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend. I'm not faced, only you to sin. If you've ain't in your garden, you know that you can. Cocaine and drinking with your friends.
And now,
been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch.